If you enjoyed this video, please like thumbs up ka chinha, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss such informative videos. Fuel system detailed explanation. Marine engines generally use heavy fuel oil HFO or marine diesel oil MDO. The purpose of the fuel system is to store, clean, heat, pressurize and supply fuel to the engine at correct pressure, temperature and viscosity. 1. Fuel system layout. Complete flow. A. Storage or transfer section. Bunker tanks. Fuel is taken on board, bunkered and stored here. Large capacity, located low in the ship for stability. Settling tanks. Fuel stays here for several hours. Water and heavy sludge settle at the bottom. Steam heating coils maintain till 70–90 degrees Celsius for HFO. Transfer pump transfers fuel from bunker settling tank. Has filters to remove big impurities. B. Purification section. Purifiers. Centrifugal cleaner takes fuel from settling tank. Removes water sludge. Cat finds works at specific temperature, 98–103 degrees Celsius for HFO. Service tanks. Purified fuel is stored here. 2 tanks, HFO in use or HFO standby. Also contains MDO service tank used during maneuvering or cold start. C. Fuel treatment or supply section. Booster system consists of fuel feed pump, fuel booster pump, viscosity controller, fuel heater, fuel filter, auto jor. Find purpose. Convert HFO into a usable form by giving proper temperature or viscosity 12–15 CST. Fuel injection pumps pressurize fuel to 500 to 1500 bars depends on engine. Controlled by camshaft or electronic actuator. Supplies atomized fuel to injectors. Fuel injectors atomize fuel into fine spray. Ensures complete combustion. Have multi-hole nozzle. D. Return system. Fuel return line. Unused heated fuel goes back to mixing tank. Maintains constant temperature in system. Mixing tank mixes return fuel with fresh purified fuel. Keeps fuel temperature stable for viscosity control. 2. Mere functions of fuel system. 1. Storage. Safe fuel storage in bunker and settling tanks. 2. Cleaning, removing water, sludge, cat finds by settling jor purifiers. 3. Heating, bringing HFO from room temperature to 100